Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we are going to explore one of the most exciting topics in the world right now, artificial intelligence, or AI. Don't worry if you have never heard about AI before, this video is made just for beginners like you. By the end, you will understand what AI is, how it works, and where you are already using it every single day. Let's get started. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? The word artificial means man-made, and intelligence means the ability to think, learn, and solve problems. So artificial intelligence, or AI, is when we program computers to think and learn, almost like a human brain. Think about how a baby learns. A baby sees a dog many times, hears the word dog many times, and slowly, the baby learns to recognize a dog. AI works the same way. We show the computer thousands of examples, and it learns from them. AI is not magic. It is just very smart programming. It can make decisions, recognize patterns, and solve problems, sometimes even faster than humans. Now let's talk about the three types of AI. First, narrow AI. This is the only type of AI that actually exists today. It is very good at any specific job. For example, when you ask Siri a question, that's narrow AI. When YouTube recommends your next video, that's narrow AI. When Google Translate converts text, narrow AI again. Second, general AI. This is a future AI that can do anything a human can do, think, feel, reason, understand. Scientists are working on this, but it does not exist yet. Third, super AI. This is science fiction right now. It would be smarter than all humans combined. Think of movies like Terminator or Iron Man's Jarvis. This is far in the future. So remember, when someone says AI today, they almost always mean narrow AI. Here's something surprising, you are already using AI every single day. When you say "Hey Siri" for "OK Google," that is AI listening to your voice. When Spotify plays a song and says "based on your listening," that is AI learning your taste. When your phone unlocks with your face, AI is recognizing your face. When Gmail puts an email in spam, AI decided that email was junk. When Google Maps says there is traffic ahead, take this route, AI is analyzing data from millions of cars. AI is not something far away in the future. It is already helping us in our daily life right now. Pretty amazing, right? Before we go deeper, let's learn 5 important words that you will hear all the time when people talk about AI. Number 1, data. Data is just information. It could be photos, numbers, or text. AI needs huge amounts of data to learn. Data is like food for AI, without it, AI cannot learn anything. Number 2, algorithm. Think of this as a recipe. An algorithm is a set of step-by-step instructions that the AI follows to solve a problem. Number 3, model. After the AI finishes learning, the result is called our model. It is like the RA's brain, storing everything it has learned. Number 4, training. Training is the process of teaching the AI. We feed it lots of data, and it learns from that data. This is called training the model. Number 5, prediction. After learning, when you ask AI a question, it gives you a prediction, its best guess based on what it learned. These 5 words are the foundation of understanding AI. Remember them. Now let's see how AI actually learns, with a very simple example. Imagine you want to teach an AI to tell the difference between a cat and a dog. Step 1. Collect data. We collect 10,000 photos of cats and 10,000 photos of dogs, and we label each one. This is a cat, this is a dog. This labeled data is what the AI will learn from. Step 2. Train the model. The AI looks at each photo and tries to find patterns. It notices cats have triangular ears, dogs have bigger noses, cats have whiskers, dogs have floppy ears. It learns these patterns automatically. Step 3. Test it. After training, we show the AI a brand new photo. One it has never seen before. We ask, is this a cat or a dog? Step 4. Prediction. The AI says, this is a dog. I'm 95% sure. Because it recognized the dog's ear shape and nose from the patterns it learned. This same idea is used for everything in AI, from recognizing your face, to understanding your voice, to detecting diseases in medical scans. The concept is always the same. Now the big question, how is AI different from human intelligence? AI is incredibly fast. It can analyze millions of photos in seconds. A human would take years. But AI has big weaknesses too. AI cannot feel emotions. It cannot love, be sad, or feel empathy. It also cannot be truly creative. It can only create things based on patterns it has already seen. Humans, on the other hand, can learn from just ONE or TWO examples. If you see a new animal once, you remember it forever. AI needs thousands of examples. Humans can also handle situations they have never seen before. We use common sense. AI struggles with this. It can only work within what it was trained on. So the truth is, AI and humans are different, not one better than the other. AI is great at speed and data. Humans are great at emotions, creativity, and common sense. The best results come when AI and humans work together. Amazing! Let's quickly review what we learned today. 1. AI is when machines are made to think and learn like humans. TWO. There are 3 types: narrow AI, which exists today, general AI and super AI, both in the future. 3. AI is already all around us, in our phones, apps, and daily life. 4. The key terms are data, algorithm, training, model, and prediction. 5. AI learns from thousands of labeled examples, just like our cat and dog example. 6. AI is faster than humans at processing data, but lacks emotions, creativity, and common sense. This is just the beginning of your AI journey. There is so much more to explore. And that's it for today's video. I hope this was helpful and easy to understand. AI is one of the most exciting technologies in the world, and you just took your first step into understanding it. That's amazing! If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps me make more content for you.